I've calmed down about OpenClaw. I'm grounded, I'm relaxed, I'm not excited. I was excited for about 2 weeks. You can see all of my previous videos. You'll see I was in all my videos, I'm like shouting my head off. Today I sat down and I said, listen, I want to actually use this tool to actually do something real for me, not just like hyped up, making a music video, which is something that I don't really need. All this hype is a waste of time. I decided that I was going to get this to post into my lovable website, clawlauncher.net, to post a blog post. That's what I wanted. That was my goal. And I'm about to show you my procedure to do this. Now, of course, this is what I used. It's called Claw Launcher. It's basically a tool that I've showed many times for my followers. You know about this. Basically, it's a tool that allows you to install, start, and stop OpenClaw, and it has toolkits. Now, today, there's a new update. Apart from the skill store, which is unbelievable. You can add skills to your OpenClaw in one click. Apart from that, I needed it to watch a YouTube video because my idea was to go to my website, go to the latest news section, and have it post a blog post into this. So as you can see, there's only one blog post, and I made this one by hand. But I want OpenClaw to create another blog post side by side with this one. So basically, the way I had to do it is very easy. I want it to watch videos that I make and then post content onto my blog post based on those videos. So the procedure for something like that would be to go to the skill store, which is only available in the Claw Launcher. You click on the skill store, you type YouTube, for example, and then you select a skill that has the ability to watch YouTube videos or get transcripts for YouTube videos. So this YouTube watcher matched my needs perfectly, so I installed it so that OpenClaw can now watch videos. By the way, it doesn't cost anything, this skill store thing. When you click on more details, you can see exactly what it can do for you. So once I installed this, my OpenClaw can now watch YouTube videos. He can get transcripts from YouTube videos. How unbelievable is that? Fetch and read transcripts. Fantastic. Fantastic. So I installed that, as you can see. Then I needed to create my own skill. And this is the moment in the video that I've been waiting for, by the way. This is the main point. In the My Skills section, you can create a new skill. Now, listen, this is insane. Because basically, you know those skill.md files that you need? When you click on create new skill, you have to upload it here and give it a slug name. So for example, if I type, let's say, post to lovable, I'm not actually doing these tabs. It's doing it all automatically for me. It's making it like in slug format. So you don't have to worry about typing like this. Then you just upload your skill.md. So either you found it online or you have an idea, but you don't know how to format it properly. We created for you an AI assistant that will validate and fix your markdown. So basically, before you upload here, you can literally go to this AI assistant, submit your skill file, and tell him to check it and fix it so that if you upload it incorrectly, you can then, he will accept it basically. So then you upload it here, click create skill, and then it will then be able to do that as well. So those were the two steps. So here's the one I made earlier, lovable blog post and YouTube watcher. And from that point, I can now allow OpenClaw to post to my lovable. So what I did, I told him, listen, take my YouTube. I gave him a YouTube link. And I said, listen, make a